Thank you. So respected brothers and sisters in the panel and in the audience, respected Daddy, greetings of peace in this wonderful global summit. I'm very happy to be here with all of you tonight. I was asked to share a few words about the power of spirituality to unify all faith. Before we unify all faith, we have to unify all our personal relationships. We have to start with ourselves and settle any conflict in any personal relationship. And there is a very easy method for that. We take time, sit in silence, and try to understand the intention of the other person. When I take time to try and understand the intention of the other person, I will find that everyone wants peace, strength, support, love, and happiness. The way to express that might be twisted, disrupted, and stressful, but the intention is pure. So if I understand that, a dialogue can start and we can move forward. The power of spirituality helped me to live by my own pure intention and see that in others, even though it might not be visible. If we look into the faith traditions, we find that in the essence of all faith, there is a message of peace, love, and happiness for all. But we also find the power to serve. All religions wants to serve, to help those in need, to help children, to stop suffering. And the previous speakers, they have good examples of helping women and children and education. And if all religions come together in the power to serve others, we can easily become one in one strength. I'm very happy to belong to Brahma Kumaris, and there we have 4 principles, and the power to serve is one of them. There is study, knowledge, yoga, dharana, and service. And for the past 10 years, we have started Brahma Kumaris Environment Initiative. We have engaged in helping Mother Earth and to serve the environment. We find that today climate change is hitting hard and it's affecting everyone's life, no matter which religion you belong to, which nationality you have, everyone is affected by climate change. And no single individual, nation, or religion will be able to solve this problem on their own. So we have to work together. Therefore, Mother Earth becomes the higher purpose for unifying all faith. And when we meet together in this higher purpose, we have care for creation, we can live a modest life with less waste, use renewable energies. And that then Mother Earth becomes the unifying force for every one of us. So let's unite in our service of humanity and in our service of Mother Earth. And I was thinking we could have a minute of silence together to spread good vibrations to all humanity and to Mother Earth. So I'll ask everyone to sit silent for a while. Maybe sit straight. Take a deep breath. sit in gratitude for everything we receive from Mother Earth, the food, the air, the water. I sit in gratitude and I connect to Mother, to the Supreme Being. I connect to the Supreme Soul, to the Divine, with gratitude in my heart. And together, me and the Supreme will send healing vibrations to the whole planet and all living beings, to the ocean, to the forest, to the land, and to the animals, and to all brothers and sisters. I send my good wishes and pure feelings, and I promise to do the best to look after it. Om Shanti. Om Shanti.